Welcome, everybody. All right, we're going to get started. We got one hanger, 4 blasters, and 1 NBA hobby hoops. Looking for red prisms, purple discos, and then obviously the hoops rookies autograph per average. So let's go ahead and get started. I know most people watch this right after on YouTube on their own time. So I just like getting started. Let's go, man. RJ's balling. A New York team is solid. That Randall, RJ, Quickly. So let's get started. Let's get you guys some fire. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying your night, having a good night. Alrighty, let's go. Let me cut this up. Alrighty, let me know who you guys want to see. I know RJ, so hopefully we can pull RJ for you. Hopefully, you ask and you shall receive philosophy, hopefully. Now, I see some nice color back there. Let's get it going. Hopefully we can start good. We got Avery Bradley. We got Malik Monk. We got Jaylen Brown. We got Kayvon Looney. We got Drew Holiday. We got Lenny Walker. We got Paul George. We got Ricky Rubio. We got Tobias Harris. Darius Baisley. Nice rookie there. Another Jackson Hayes. We got Nicholas Claxton. We got Robert Covington. We got Jonathan Isaac as our silver. Wasted right there. Boom. Dang, nice. Devin Booker. For the Suns. Nice hit. There you go, Suns. Nice hit. And then we're getting to our DeMar DeRozan. Got a Russell Westbrook. Good veterans. Mike Conley for the Jazz. And the Ben Simmons. These are our purple discos. And the Giannis. Let's go, Bucks. Nice hit. Good looking card. Let's go. And Ben Simmons. I didn't even look like Ben Simmons. Nice hits. You got a nice Devin Booker, nice Giannis to start off. Let me sleeve some of these up. Good looking cards. Nice Bucks hit. Not bad hanger. Pretty nice hanger. None of these are numbered. One second, let me top load these and sleeve them up. All right, let's go with our blasters now. Just one hanger. Let's go blasters. Let's get some nice rookies here. We got last year's rookies, this year's rookies. Let's go. All righty. Empty box. Let's go. All right, we got Malik Beasley. We got Jaleel Okafor. We got Eric Pascal. And silver, Miles Turner for the Pacers. All right, we got Jaylen Brown. We got Kawhi Leonard. NBA Hoops, there you go, bro. You ask and you shall receive. That's what I'm talking about. It's not colored, but we'll take it. And a Dame Dollar. All right, not bad. You got to start off somewhere, so we'll start with a nice little base. Let me see if I can put these two up for now. Purple and I forgot what that's called, but it's nice. Sleep to RJ. Hopefully we can get some color. Some color next. Alrighty. Let's go, Rui. Let's get you some Rui. Jordan Clarkson, he's balling. Jeremy Grant, he's balling too. Malik Monk. And Robin Lopez. Ooh, ouch. Trolling. Why are you wasting my cards like that, man? 1 second. We got Kevon Looney. CJ McCollum. With D. Wade. D. Windler. And Embiid. Alrighty. We got Bismack Biyombo. We got Lonzo Ball. The brother. We got Terrence Davis, rookie card. And a Vince Carter, silver. Alright, Blaster. Let's get a red prism. Let's get a red prism. Get something nice. There's something back there shiny. We got Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. We got Rudy Gay. We got Luguentz Dort for the Clippers and Emmanuel Mudiay. Come on. Wasted my red prisms. That's not cool. We got Larry Nance Jr., Steven Adams, Kyrie Irving, and a TJ Warren. Man, rough. Rough. Come on. Give us something better, Blaster. All right. We got a Max Kleber. We got a Rudy Gobert. Darius Baisley. And a Towns. So, Blaster. Not the best. Nothing big. Not any big rookies yet. Let's go. Look for autographs. Let's get an autograph on one of these. All right. Let's go. All right. We got Gary Harris. We got Joe Embiid. We got Jackson Hayes, another one. Ron Pelican. And then Dylan Windler, another one. Wasted my silver. Dylan Windler. He might be a pretty good player, but don't waste my silvers. Domantas Sabonis. Eric Bledsoe. Nicholas Claxton. And Ty Jerome. This guy's my troll. Seriously, he's my troll. Ty Jerome. See some color back there. Jaren Jackson. We got Miles Leonard. We got Robert Covington. And a Rui. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. I'm telling you, you asking, you're going to get it. Some of you guys don't be asking, man. Bam. There you go. Jeez, nice looking card. Not numbered, but man, Nice Rui, bro. There you go, Jeff. Tell people, man, at least ask for it. Better than not asking. Doesn't guarantee anything, but still, that Rui's nice. Let's go. Let's heat up. Tonight, I think that's not a. It's not a Mojo. Might be a Mojo. I think the Mojos are on the Megas, but whatever it is, it's nice. All right, we got Will Barton. Let's get through some more though. We got Brandon Ingram. We got Johnny Stockton and a Tatum for Boston. All righty. Let's see. We got Jason Tatum, Nikola Vucevic, Isaiah Roby, and a silver George Hills. I hate when they waste my silvers like that. I like silvers. They're so nice. Cool. Christian Wood, Vince Carter, Patrick Beverly, and a green Jalen Lokeet. Not bad. Alrighty, some color back there. Nice blue, whatever that is. Nicholas Batum. We got Dame Dalla. We got KZ Okpala and Nazir Little. Ouch. Ooh, it's number 2 for the Blazer. Check this out. $59.99. Man, I wish that was a nice rookie. That would have been solid. That would have been solid. Number 2. It's hard to see those. You don't really see those a lot. We got Bojan. We got Jeff Teague. Jeremy Lamb. And our last card is Kevin Durant. Nice Kevin Durant. Wish it was silvered. We'll see what's going on. All right. Another blaster. Let's go blaster. The other, not bad. Let's get better. Yeah, I think that is a silver Mojo Prism you got with that Rui. That's nice. I think those are the top ones to get too. Let's get some ink though. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. I see some silver. Terry Rozier, Chris Middleton, Harrison Barnes, and we got Miles Leonard trolling my silvers. All my silvers have been trolling. Eric Gordon, Darren Fox, Tremont Waters, and what's in the back here for the Spurs? DeMar DeRozan. So. We got some Mojo back there. Chris Dunn, Kevin Knox, Jonas Valanciunas, and a Serge Ibaka. Come on. It hurts, man. It hurts when you put them on there like that. We got Landry Shamet. We got Serge Ibaka. NBA Hoops, Dame Dalla. And backstage LeBron. Let's go, Bron. He's here. All right, we got Bron here. We need some Luka now. We need some Zion, some Ja. We need silver back there. Kristaps Porzingis. 1 second. Aaron Gordon. We got Jalen Noel. And our silver is Anthony Davis. Let's go. Nice card. Lake Show. Let's go. I know he's hurt right now, but that's a fire card. Let's go, Lake Show. I'm in the West Coast. You know I like that. Let's get it. Nice Anthony Davis. Hopefully he gets better, man. If not, Kelly Olynyk, Troy Brown Jr. We got Brian Forbes. And we got a red. Ooh, nice. No, I'm sorry. I thought that was Pascal. Kevin Looney. Fire. The red prisms have not been nice. We got Luke Kennard. We got TJ Warren. Oh. They're either going to troll me or this is going to be a signature. Lakers, Pistons. KCP. Oh. Oh, bro, look at you. RJ Barrett. Man, the two guys that asked for hits actually got the hits. There you go. I'm telling you guys, just ask, man. That's it. Whatever you ask, you're going to get. Now, I can't guarantee that, but still. All right, man. I'm trying to deliver, man. Who was that for? There you go, Casey. There you go, bro. Got you some nice mojo right there. Two big rookie mojos. And super nice looking cards. All right, let's keep it going, though. Let's put these guys on here. Boom. It's not the base, but still nice. We still haven't seen Ja or Zion. We need something. But two pretty good rookies there. We got Spencer Dinwiddie. We got Derek White. We got Cody Martin. And James Harden. Nice. All right, last blaster. And we go to our Hoops Hobby. Alrighty. Alright. Last blaster. Good luck with these blasters, guys. Hopefully we get another nice mojo. Or a nice red cracked ice. Klay Thompson. Serge Ibaka. Luka. And Gordon Hayward green. Not bad. Not the best. We got Terry Scary Rozier. He's been balling out of control. Aaron Gordon. Morel Shayuk. And our green is Alan Samlagic. Could have got Steph Curry. We still need a lot of players, man. We need Luka. We need a lot of players still. We got Eric Gordon. I see another mojo back there. We got Troy Brown. We got Cameron Johnson for the Suns. And LeBron James. Lake Show. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice. Now we got to move over the MVP, Giannis. There you go, LeBron. Tell you, when LeBron comes out, it's going to be a good break. Here you go. Mojo. Mojo's has been killing it. LeBron. What is going on? There you go. Whoever got the Lakers. It's a fire-looking card. Man. Get that PSA for sure. Chris Dunn. TJ Warren. NBA Hoops. Another Dame Dollar. And a De'Aaron Fox. Let's go. Landry Shamet. We got Derek White. We got a Justin James. And a LaMarcus Aldridge. We got a Kristaps Porzingis. We got Dennis Schroeder. Harrison Barnes. And a green Chris Paul. 3 nice looking mojos. I see another mojo back there. Kelly Unix. We got Derek Favors. Tremont Waters. And Paul George. Get out of here. Sorry. Still a nice card, but I'm not trying to give it that much love. If you are, then good for you. It's a nice card, though. We got Luke Kennard. We got J.J. Redick. We got Jonas Valanciunas. And a backstage pass, Gary Harris. Well, I've never seen this card before. All right, guys. That was a pretty nice. We still didn't get no Zions, man, or Jaws, or Tyler. But let's go to our main event. There's a lot of packs in here, so let me move these cards so I don't fall. Actually, I'm just going to take them all out. Move the box out. That's a lot of them. Jeez. All right. There is 24 packs in here and 8 cards each. Let's look for 2 autographs per average. I have to say that. Let's see, man. Good luck, everybody. 24 packs. Let's go. Let's put our bangers up. Let's put the king in the middle. Let's poop. Sorry, hold on. I can't even see. Oh, jeez. All right, I'm doing too much. Let me just put these down. We'll put some new hits up there. It's a lot of packs in this thing. All right, NBA Hoops time. Let's go. All right, good luck, everybody. We're looking for the new rookies here. Tobias Harris, Serge Ibaka. We got Darius Bazley. We got CJ McCollum. We got Donovan Mitchell. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, purple. And Leandro Balmaro. Oh, one in the back, sorry. Tyler Terry. You mean Anthony Davis? Is that who you mean? For Ant? Sorry, man. I don't know the abbreviation. All right. There we go, Luka. Nice Luka. We got Jackson Hayes. Kind of hard to transition from last year to this year. Gordon Hayward. John Wall. We got Kendrick Nunn. Boom. Nice. For the Jazz. Donovan Mitchell. We got R.J. Hampton, and we got a Nick Richards. Dang, I thought that was a little mellow. Okay, cool. Yeah, for sure, bro. Anthony Edwards. I got you. Paul George. Giannis. We got Torrey Craig. We got Christian Wood. We got a Bamba. We got a Josh Green for the Mavs. We got Kenyon Martin Jr. for the Rockets and Elijah Hughes. All righty, let's go. We got Thaddeus Young, Klay Thompson, Dwight Howard. We got a Devin Booker. We got a Victor Oladipo. Sorry, there's a card behind there. Ooh, what is that? Ah, man. Wrong person. 9 out of 25. Carl Anthony. That's a nice looking card. Wrong player. We got a CJ Ellerby and a Skylar Mays. That goes to the Timberwolves, man. That would have been nice if it was a rookie. 9/25. You'll take that for sure, bro. That's nice. That's a pretty nice card, huh? 9/25. All right, we got Draymond. We got KCP. Tayshaun Prince. We got TJ Warren. We got Cody Zeller. Boom. Jimmy Buckets. Nice. High voltage. Let's see what's going on here. Not numbered, but a really nice card. Kira Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans. And the Precious Ochiwa. That's a nice card. High voltage. Jimmy Buckets. Those are pretty nice cards. I like these cards. Nice high voltage. Alrighty. Alrighty. Spencer Dinwiddie, Joe Embiid. We got a Malik Monk, Cam Reddish, Harry Giles III, Mitchell Robinson, Peyton Pritchard, and the Patrick Williams rookie. All right, LaMelo, where you at? We still need Luka, Zion. Man, where's everybody at? But we still got some time. Austin Rivers, Porzingis, JJ Redick, Jordan Clarkson. Whoa, oh, I see something nice back there. We got a Bradley Beal. And boom, Trae Young tribute. That is fire. For the Hawks. Nice looking card. I don't think it's numbered. Let's see. Nope, it's not numbered, but it's nice. David Vassell and a Nico Mannion for the Warriors. It's a nice Trae Young. I like that card. I used to collect those cards back in the days, in the 90s. They ain't worth much. But still nice. Nice Trae Young. Let's see, we got a signature in here. We might have one. Maybe not. Daniel Gafford. We got a Kayvon Looney. We got a DeAndre Ayton. We got a Carmelo. Devontae Graham. He's balling. Oh, Cavaliers. Isaac Okoro. Isaiah Stewart. And a Jordan Nora for the Bucks. Man, still no LaMelo. Anthony Davis. DeAndre Jordan. Got a Matisse Thybulle. Let's see. We got a Steven Adams. We got a Jaren Jackson. Here we go. Who's this? For the Nuggets, Legends of the Game, Allen English, 62 out of 699. That's a lot of cards. We got a Jalen Smith and a Denny Avdija. Let's go. All right, let's heat up. Let's heat up. Where's our autos? Curious to see what autos we get. We got a Kyle Lardry. See where he gets traded to. We got Eric Gordon. We got a Joe Ingles. We got a Davis Bertans. We got a Bam Adebayo. We got a Dwight Powell purple. We got a Onyeka Okungwu for the Hawks. And then we got a Saban Lee for the Pistons. Man, no. Still no Zion, still no Ja. We got Lonzo Ball. We got a Romeo Langford. We got a Kawhi Leonard. We got a Michael Porter Jr. Whoa, there's our first one. Nice, Pistons. Boom. Sadiq Bey, let's go. Nice. Let's go, Pistons. There you go. Let me finish these off. Got a Bradley Beal, City Editions. We got a Jaden McDaniels and a Vernon Carey Jr. Nice rookie card right there. You know, he's going to be playing a lot more since Blake is leaving. Fire card. Definitely going to come up. That's our first auto. Hopefully let's get one more. Nice hit. Nice hit, Pistons. All right, we got George Hill, Lauri Markkanen. We got Colin Sexton. We got a Marvin Bagley III, Cameron Johnson. We got a R.J. Hampton. We got a Zeke Naji. And James Wiseman. There's our first rookie. All right. Big rookie. We still need our other rookies. But that's our first big one. But we still got a lot to go. Sadiq Bey, he's going to be good. We got Jarrett Culver. We got Frank. We got a Jamal Murray. We got a Kevin Love. We got a DeJounte Murray. Let's see what this is. For the Pistons, another hit. Pistons, Isaiah Stewart. Nice hit. We got a Theo Maledon. And we got a Cole Anthony for the Orlando. Nice looking cards. Alrighty. We got a Montrezl Harrell. We got an Eric Bledsoe. We got a Zach LaVine. We got a Kevin Porter. We got a Anthony Simmons. Boom, another Jimmy Buckets. He's out here. And we got a Josh Green and a Killian Hayes. Man, where's our rookies at? We still need some good hits. Alrighty. Let's heat up here. All right, we got Stephon Curry. LeBron. Nice looking dunk there. We got a Miles Bridges. We got Daniel Gallinari. We got a Dylan Brooks. We got a Tyrell Terry. For the Mavs, we got Aaron Nesmith for Boston. And we got a Opie Topin for the nice looking card for the Knicks. It's another rookie right there. All right. We got Jared Allen. We got Al Horford. We got Fred VanVleet. Got a Bojan Bogdanovic. Got a Thomas Bryant. We got a Cam Reddish. Nice. Atlanta Hawks. Atlanta Hawks got some good cards. 74 out of 199. We got Tyrese Maxey for Philly and the Desmond Bane. All righty. All right, well, let me just put these cards up since that's something to show for. Come on, hoops. Let's get something big. All righty. We got Daniel House Jr., Carl Anthony. We got a Jimmy Buckets. We got Will Barton. Whoa. Don't tell me this is signature. Wow, Ricky Davis. Who's that? Man, Ricky Davis, really? For the Cavs, Ricky Davis. Wow, come on. I don't know if that's a waste or not. Woo, that's nice. A Pippen. Wow, I haven't seen a Pippen card in a minute. Nice Bulls hit. Cassius Stanley for the Pacers and the Jamie Ramsey for the Kings. I haven't seen a Pippen card for I don't know how long, to be honest. Yeah, that is cool, man. Anytime you see something like that. I don't know about the Ricky Davis. I hope they didn't waste our ink on that, which I did. I think they did. It's a nice looking card, but wrong player. But hey, that goes to the Cavs. Good hit, Cavs. Alrighty. All right, we got Kemba Walker. We got Lou Williams. We got Wesley Matthews. We got Andre Drummond. We got Lonnie Walker. And boom, Legends of the Ball, Sean Kemp. That is a super nice card. That goes to Thunder, right? Nice card. I like these old school. I like Sean Kemp. I'm not going to even try to pronounce that. Alexei Pokusevsky. And for the Cavaliers, Isaac Okoro. Man, LaMelo, you are hard to get. What is going on? We need at least a base. It's a nice Sean Kemp, though. I'm liking these old school throwback cards. All right, Chris LeVert. We got Ben Simmons. We got a Dragic. We got Gary Harris. We got Matthew Dellavedova. We got a Josh Green, another one. Xavier Tillman from Memphis. And a Robert Woodyard II. Come on, where's our big dogs? Marc Gasol. We got Russell Westbrook. We got D'Angelo Russell. We got a Derek White. We got a Derrick Rose. Legends of the Game. There you go. Luka, number 2. I mean, there's a lot. 69 to 999. Oh, there he is. There he is. After the Luka, LaMelo said, "What's up?" And then we got Udoka Azubuike. Nice cards. Let's get that LaMelo. LaMelo's been balling like crazy. And then we got a nice Luka card. He's already Legends of the Game, future Legends of the Game. They're not lying. They're not lying. Alrighty. Let's finish strong. Julius Randle. Zion. Let's go, Zion. First Zion card. Wow. We got a Marquise Fultz. Shot Kilkers Alexander. Hassan Whiteside. Precious Ochiwa for the Heat. Nice purple. We got a Malachi Flynn and a Daniel Oturo. All right, we got 3 more packs. Come on, let's finish strong. Got a Brooke Lopez. Willie Constein. Got an RJ. Nice second year card. Jonas. We got a Dwayne Bacon. Boom! Last LeBron James VIP. Let's go, LeBron. Cassius Winston. And a Trey Jones. We're still looking for that. Anthony, man. Nice looking cards. Alrighty, let me see these up. 2 more packs, guys. Good luck. Alrighty. Let's finish strong. Got a Marquise Morris. We got a Kevin Durant. Got a Dennis Schroeder. Got a Josh Jackson. Zach Collins. We got a Cole Anthony. Who got next? We got Emmanuel Quickly for the Knicks. And an Anthony Edwards. There he is. I know you're like, damn, he better come out. He sure did come out. That's the base card. I like Emmanuel Quickly. He's good. I know, bro. I know you were waiting for that one. Got you waiting, too. 24 packs or whatever it is. On the 22nd, 3rd. All right, we got Josh Richardson. We got OG Onubi. Got Robert Covington. We got a Rui, second year. Nice card. Got a Tyler Hero, second year. Whoa. Ooh, nice. Anthony Davis highlights. Lakers, y'all been hitting. Sadiq Bey. And last is Tyler Bay. All righty. Let me sleeve some of these up. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate it. We should have a football optic break Thursday. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to post it tomorrow. Optic football, hobby, and obsidian. Some nice looking cards. Let me go through our hits. And I'll sleeve a lot of these up. I'm going to go through the main hits. All right. So we got an Anthony Davis All-Star winner. We got an Anthony Edwards. We got a LeBron VIP. We got a Zion. We got a Legends of the Game Luka. A Sean Kemp. Nice card. We got a Ricky Davis. I don't know why they did us like that. We got a nice Zero Gravity Scotty. We got a Trae Young NBA Hoops Tribute. High Voltage Jimmy Butler. Carl Anthony's 19/25. Nice card. Good low number. We got a Giannis Purple. We got Devin Booker. We got a Silver Anthony Davis. Nice Mojo LeBron. We got a Rui Mojo. We got our LaMelo. We got a Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. And then we got our RJ. Thank you guys for joining. You guys enjoy your night. Take care. Bye.